Hey y'all, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about everything Hbar. Shout out to the Hbar family, of course. You're going into a Monday morning. We are seeing quite a bit of red once again. And I know, the market is not making up its mind. Exactly what we've been discussing over the last few days. You could really start to understand why, we've been talking about what we have been talking about on this channel. How, it's not a time to be getting excited. And of course, on the weekends, CME futures being closed, more manipulation than usual. Those are some factors we shouldn't be ignoring. And I'm sure, at this point, everyone kind of realizes that. So, going into Monday morning, a lot of red once again. Hbar down 6% on the USD side. If you're looking at the price, 20.4 cents. Also down 5.1% in Bitcoin compared with the valuation currently sitting at about $8.6 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about $154.3 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So take a look at this, guys. I have been sounding like a broken record at this point when it comes to the dominance index, but I'm sure at this point, if you tune in on a regular day-to-day basis, everything will be making more sense to you, and I'll explain what I mean. Yesterday we were sitting at the likes of 60.7% as far as the dominance is concerned. And again, it was quite a sharp drop for the dominance itself. But look at this major spike. And I continuously been telling you guys the importance of this, how, you don't want to be ignoring this. And what did I say yesterday? Even though we did see this, tumble in the dominance, I did say, in a grand scheme of things, it's still sitting quite high and we shouldn't be getting excited. And here we have it, the confirmation. We're back to literally where we were prior to, this major retracement. So again, not a major surprise why we are seeing, a lot of red across the market. If you're looking at BTC, on the other hand, Bitcoin is currently hovering at around $95,718. Still not making up its mind in terms of, getting back above that 98K mark. So again, I'm sure at this point, everyone is kind of up to date as to how important that $98,000 price point really is. But anyhow, let's take a look at it on the hourly time frame and really analyze and take a look at what's happening with Hbar's price right now as of recording this update. So you can see for yourself, again, this right here is the daily time frame. The hourly time frame. Just a few days ago, we were sitting at about the 22 cents price point. Of course, retest back in the 61.8. Obviously, it was a rejection, and the price is making its way down to this 20 cents price point. And speaking about this 20 cents price point, again, let me show you guys, the bigger picture here. Let's kind of go on the weekly time frame, and what's going on here? Here we are. So take a look at this. We have a significant amount of support, dating back to the 2021 levels, as you can see this for yourself, where we're currently finding support at. If the support does not hold right at the neckline of the 19 cents, wick that, we did see a few days ago, could be the next support line. And of course, if that does not hold, making our way down to the likes of, the 17.7 cents, which of course was our February 3rd wick towards the downside, could really be in play. And I know a lot of people don't really want to see this happening, but I've said this to you guys several times on my channel. Usually, wicks, massive wicks do end up filling. And again, if you've been in the space for quite some time, you know what I'm referring to. So are we really indeed going to have a retest down to 17.7 cents before seeing some sort of a recovery, or potentially even falling below there? And of course, we have had these discussions as to what the next, target really could be, which again is around the 15.6 cents. Again, Bitcoin is not looking, bad in the bigger perspective. Of course, if you're looking at it, from a closer perspective and really understanding, the volatility that it has seen over the last, full 1 month, it kind of explains, what's really going on. But in a grand scheme of things, Bitcoin is still in the 23.6 fib zone. It still hasn't really gone below this key support line. And of course, if it drops below here and, obviously does not bounce back up, that, that could be a major shakeout that, we do need before bouncing. Could that really be in play? Potentially, yes. Right now, Hbar is not obviously in the 61.8 where I would like to see the price at. So, as of now, I do want you guys to be, prepared that, the potential of us, filling that wick from February 3rd could still be in play, which is, again, only a 12.5% move towards the downside. And the way dominance is moving right now, if Bitcoin sees a little bit of a shakeout, dominance could actually make its way up to 62%, which won't help altcoins once again. Let me know down below what you guys think. Of course, it's a clear indication to myself that, we are seeing a lot of manipulation happening. But again, one step at a time. Let me know down below. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.